Hello and welcome back to my channel. This side Muskan, and I am super grateful to have you over here in my family, and it would really mean a lot to me if you could just go and hit that subscribe button. This is gonna motivate me to push myself more and to post more such video which is gonna help you. So yes, without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Today's video is all about why something is not manifesting for you. There literally could be a number of reasons. There literally could be a lot of reasons, but the primarily reasons could be because you have actually put some blockages or resistance in your manifestation. Like you are here and your manifestation is here, but you either intentionally or intentionally have put some blockages or resistance over here, because of which you are not letting the universe give you what it is that you want. Now you're gonna say, like, if I want something, how can I actually put resistance in that thing? There's this phrase which I learned about recently, which I wanted to share, which says success is gonna come to you when you are ready for it. Now you're gonna say that, Muskan, I am ready for it. I am ready to receive whatever it is that I want. I am ready to receive the money that I want, to receive the partner that I want, to receive my dream house, and basically everything. That why am I not getting it? How am I not ready for it? This is where the concept of divine timing comes in. Divine timing means that you are gonna get everything, whatever it is that you want, not before your time, not after your time, but at the divine timing, when you would be responsible enough to be able to get that thing, and when you would actually know how to take care of the thing, how to respect that thing. For example, if I were to give you 50 lakh rupees right now, would you be able to manage it? I mean, you would literally be broke the next year, because you would literally spend it, because you would not know how to respect the 50 lakh rupees. You would not know how to appreciate it. You would not be a part of it energetically. You would not have aligned yourself subconsciously with the money that you want, because you are just not ready for the money. You would indulge in self-sabotage, and you would basically not know what to do with it, and hence you would end up spending it, not knowing where to invest it, not knowing where to spend it. So basically you would be entrusted with what you want when you are ready for it. Maybe you are not ready for the money right now. Maybe you are not ready for the partner that you want yet. So how you can actually be ready for it? So to say, if you want a partner, you can start by loving yourself more. You cannot expect the other person to love you the way you want, and then you cannot crave that I'm not getting the person that I want. Why? Because you are not loving yourself. So you can start by loving yourself. If you want more money, you can start by appreciating and respecting the money that you have now. For you to attract more, for you to entrust it with more, you will first have to learn and respect the things that you have now. Think about it this way: if you are not able to give 1 rupee from the 10 rupees that you have, how could you then be entrusted with 1 lakh rupees if you couldn't give 10,000 rupees from the 1 lakh rupees? I want you to appreciate the journey wherever you are right now, for you to unlock the next level of your journey. I want you to energetically create more space for the things that you want, for your manifestations to come in without actually worrying about what's going to happen. Trust that your success is inevitable, and whatever it is that you want is going to come to you at the right time, at the right place. Always remember the concept of divine timing. Live in the present, because when you're living in present, you are least resistant to whatever it is that you want. You are least resistance to your manifestations. And do not let your ego self convince you that whatever it is that you want is going to come to you now, is going to happen to you now, because where would the concept of divine timing go then? So yes, that's it for the video. I hope you liked today's video, and if you like the video, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell icon to never miss the updates. So yeah, this is me, Muskan Mehra, signing off. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. I love you.